Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So, Crystal lost another bet.
Sure, you had to rub that in?
Hey, the people have a right to know.
Alright, I guess.
Okay, so for her punishment for losing the bet, she had to come up with a smoothie recipe. So she is calling this one Spectacular Summer Smoothie, as summer is coming to a close pretty soon, and she wanted to do one more great summer recipe. So, here we go.
Summer's my favorite season, and I'm kind of bummed it's coming to a close.
Yeah, me too.
Alright, so first you're going to take the rest of that lemonade.
Okay, we've already got some ice in our blender ready to go.
Yep.
And now we have some Simply Lemonade.
My favorite drink.
So I'm going to pour that in.
Thank you.
Okay.
Now you're going to take the rest of that orange juice.
Alright, we have some Tropicana No Pulp Orange Juice.
My favorite brand.
And
What brand of juice do you like?
in. I like Tropicana. I've been drinking that.
Alright, now comes the fun part.
Okay.
Yogurt, baby.
Yogurt. We have some Dannon All Natural Plain Yogurt. And
I like yogurt. In
Me
smoothies,
too.
of course. I don't eat it just regular. That's not my thing.
I think we better not. A little bit. That should be plenty.
Alrighty. Now we're going to take, Katie, if you're out there watching this, we've got a special treat for you. Blueberries.
Blueberries. Some Publix frozen blueberries.
Because I know they're her favorite. So I was, thinking of her when I made this. You know what I mean?
Yep. I'll get this open.
Some of those can be a little hard, don't you think?
Yeah. Jeez, that really is hard to open.
It looks like
I got it.
It looks like it would be.
Okay, so we have some blueberries.
Like I said, Kate, if you're out there, this is for you.
Alright. Now
we got my favorite part. Tell them what we got, Renee.
we got some all-natural Dole frozen mango chunks.
I love mangoes.
Oh yeah.
You ever tried them?
Yep. Especially good in smoothies.
Oh, I know. I have just eaten mangoes fresh. You know, Sue always, she always brings me mangoes as a treat.
Alright, and go the mangoes.
Geez, we used it all.
You said use it all.
Yeah, I'm just saying, I didn't realize the bag was that small.
Blender is awfully full now, but now we're ready to go.
Now, let's go.
Okay. Let's blend that up.
Yep.
Okay, so here it is finished. And now I have a glass here. We'll go ahead and pour that in.
It looks good.
And here is the smoothie. And we'll go ahead and do a taste test. That's good.
I did a good job.
Yep. Alright, well, try this for yourself, and we'll see you next time. And thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.